Please press on the bell icon and never miss a video from the Aesthetic Clinics from Dr. Rinki Gupta's channel. Skin brightening is something that a lot of people come in asking for, and of course all of us would always desire a glowing skin, a radiant skin is what we all dream of. So our skins might have gotten damaged over years because of years of sun exposure or years of strain and stress, not taking care of the skin, and so many things that can happen. So skin brightening is done by the initial thing is the evaluation by the physician initially as to what exactly is giving rise to the dull skin. Is it your lifestyle? Is it your sun exposure? Is it your age? Is it something that you're not taking care of your skin? Is it related to your diet? And so many things. So once you sort all that out, there are some treatments that are available, there are some medications that are available, which yes, you can do and get the skin that you want. It's not exactly skin whitening, because whitening is something which is not advocated unless you have an underlying pigmentary disorder. So you have dark pigmentation or black pigmentation because of certain disease or certain conditions in the skin, wherein you do skin brightening or skin whitening to improve that. But as such, what we advocate is skin brightening and enhancement of the skin radiance, which can be done with procedures like microdermabrasion or skin polishing. It can be done by certain chemical peels that are available, which are basically solutions that the doctor applies on your skin at frequent intervals, say 2 to 3 weeks, to improve the exfoliation of the skin and to bring up much more youthful skin from underneath. Or it could involve some treatments like lasers. It could involve treatments like administering antioxidants to you in the form of medicines or tablets and injectables and so on. So it's generally a combination that is given to you as a protocol. It's not just one thing that will be advised. It will generally a combination of treatments that your doctor will prescribe to you, and which could range as from creams to lasers to chemical peels to injectables, which the doctor will advise you. But in general, once you have gotten through the procedure, you've gone through the treatment, which would require multiple visits at your doctor's office, you will always require maintenance of the skin, because again, if you're careless and if you go back to the factors that gave you the dull skin in the first place, you will land up with the same problem again. So care and post-procedure care and how you'll maintain the skin well with your sunscreens, with your day applications, with your night applications, with your follow-up visits with the procedure that the doctor advises is what will determine the end result. Generally, these treatments are very, very safe if they are monitored well. And even if you consider the injectables that are given or injectable antioxidants that are given to improve the skin, they are very safe. Of course, some of them are not FDA approved yet for skin brightening per se, but at the discretion of the physician and the explanation that you get from the physician, you get yourself satisfied with what they advise you and then go ahead with the treatment. You'll be really happy with what doctors today can offer you. Thank you.